Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to disable Cloudflare Proxy. First, go and log in to your Cloudflare account. Once inside your dashboard, you will see here your connected domains. So go ahead and go to the domain that you want to work with. Then, click on the three dots beside it. After that, choose on Configure DNS. Now for here, you will see the DNS records that are proxied. Now to disable that, you need to click on the edit button beside it. Then in here, you'll now have the option to toggle off the proxy status. So go ahead and do that. After that, click on the save button. And now, you will see that it is not proxied anymore. And that's just basically it. That's how you disable Cloudflare Proxy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.